All right, guys. Welcome to Indian FX. So I just want to take you through what SMC is all about. SMC. I will drop in various videos during the following week. I mean, for the next couple of weeks now, I'll keep dropping videos about this, both the theory and the practical aspects, so you can see what SMC is all about. So now, SMC. SMC stands for Smart Money Concepts. It is a trading strategy that focuses on understanding the actions and behaviors of institutional traders, also known as smart money, to make informed trading decisions. Okay, so just please try and make sure that you that you pay attention very well so that you can digest what these things are all about, right? So smart money concept again stands for SMC is the abbreviation of smart money concept. So it's a trading strategy that focuses on understanding the actions and behaviors of institutional traders, right? So now institutional traders in this sense we have people like banks, we have hedge funds, and these people you can they are basically the market movers, right? If they place a trade, the trade is going to affect the market strongly. Usually we will call ourselves retail traders. With these people can we call them market movers because when they are trading with huge capital, huge amounts of money. Imagine a bank placing a trade, right? So it's going to affect the market strongly. So at that point, you as a retail trader, you have to follow suit. You have to, for example, now if these banks are buying and you are selling, my brother, you are gone. I mean, the probability that you're going to lose that trade is very, very high. Except if you're a scalper. If you're a scalper, you might be able to get one of those things on the market because one thing is that the market will always breed, right? It will always breed. So during that period, as a scalper, you might be able to get one of the things from the market. But you being a swing trader or a day trader, and you are going against institutional traders, you are gone. Yeah, so that's the concept here, right? So you have to be able to follow suit when institutional traders are placing their own order. So, okay, so in continuation, where the right story is also known as they're also known as smart money concept. So when you are able to study this, you'll be able to make an informed trading decision so that you won't fuck up. You won't really fucked up. Okay, so the next slide says the smart money concept involves analyzing market structure, order flow, and liquidity to identify potential trading opportunities. Okay, again, smart money concept involve analyzing market structure, order flow, and liquidity to identify potential trading opportunities. Look at it this way. It's you being able to identify the market structure. You've been able to know the current structure of the market. Okay, knowing the trend as well. Are we on an uptrend or in a downtrend? Is the market consolidating? The current liquidity zone, the resistance and your support area and all that. That is you being able to identify the market structure, the order flow, and then liquidity to identify potential trading opportunities. Right? So if you're able to identify these zones, it's more easy for you. It's based on the idea that institutional traders such as banks and hedge funds, like I said earlier, have a significant impact on market movement, and by understanding their behavior, individual traders can make more informed decisions. Yeah, it's more like now for example, you want to let us make this popular scenario. Now, as a guy in a particular area, you're hunting after a girl, yeah, and you want to follow the girl. Probably you feel like, okay, whenever this guy is going to that, I'll just follow the girl. For you to be able to know where the girl is going or when the girl will go, you have to stay ahead. It's more like you're an hunter at that point. You have to stay ahead, watch the girl movement, and then you'll be able to say, okay, the lady's already coming. Let me follow. The same thing here. You have to stay ahead of the mark of these people. It's institutional traders so that you will know, okay, um, this is when they are about to make their move and all that. Then you'll be able to join the trend. Because if they are buying and you are going against them, definitely you should know that you are already on the losing trade, even without even before taking the trade, right? So that's what that's all about. Let's go for the next slide. Some key concepts in SMC include these are the very common key concepts of SMC. All right. So now we have the market structure, understanding overall trend and structure of the market. That must be if you don't understand this, there is nothing you want to do in the market. So you being able to understand the overall trend and the structure of the market. Then other blocks, identifying areas where institutional traders are likely to place orders. Yeah, like more like the example I gave, you being able to know when the lady want to pass a particular area, when she's coming back and all that. You are at this point you are like an hunter. So liquidity, understanding how liquidity affects market movement. Um, according to Happiness Harness, HCN Academy, she will always say that liquidity zone is where the money is sitting, like where the money is sitting, right? So stop hunts identifying potential areas where stop loss orders may be triggered. Again, identifying potential areas where stop loss orders may be triggered. You know that there are some trade you will take that, for example, you place a buy trade, but the market will dangle to your stop loss. After hitting your stop loss, immediately it will start going in your direction, and you feel like your victory is against you. At the same time, you might place the sell trade at that point, and then it will hit your stop loss and then keep going in your direction. So you should be able to identify all these things. That's why you should be able to know the liquidity zone, the other blocks, and all that. Being able to know how the market will play out, right? All right. So thank you very much for sticking to the end. I will be dropping more videos, especially basically the practical aspect, not just the theory. Like this is just more like an introductory video. So I'll be doing more concerning the SMC concepts, SMC strategy, right? So, all right, thank you for sticking to the. Make sure you subscribe and drop a like or comment so that whenever I drop the next video, you'll be able to see, right? So, thank you very much for sticking to the end.